Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. This first lesson is on clutch control. The clutch pedal is the pedal to the left. Your clutch is the link between your engine and your wheels. When you depress the clutch pedal with your left foot, the clutch becomes disengaged, disconnecting the wheels from your engine. As you release the pedal, you reconnect the engine with your wheels, providing power back to the wheels. Only use your left foot to operate the clutch. When not using the clutch, keep your foot off the pedal. Control of the clutch takes time and practice to operate smoothly. It's a careful balance between clutch and the accelerator which determines a smooth start from a stationary position. This is called clutch control, which is more difficult at low speeds than high-speed gear changing. It takes a lot of practice. Get the balance wrong and you could stall every time. Once you're going and you want to slow down, you must disengage your clutch before the vehicle comes to a standstill to avoid stalling. This is something you should work on with your instructor to get a feel for the timing, as it is vital to learn to coordinate your clutch and brake pedals in order to pass your test. Also remember, you will be penalized for riding the clutch or for coasting, which is freewheeling. So, to recap, here are some useful general tips for clutch usage. To avoid a jerky start, engage your clutch slowly. To change gear up or down while driving, disengage your clutch quickly. Once you have applied brakes, don't wait too long before disengaging your clutch, otherwise you'll stall. Always keep your foot off the clutch pedal when it's not in use. Remember, this video covers the important basics of clutch control but is no substitute for getting the feel for the balance you must master between clutch and accelerator, especially when you're moving off from a standstill. So keep practicing and stay alert. Stay safe. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.